Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about the logical operators in Python. And what are logical operators? The logical operators in Python are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values, and there are mainly three logical operators: and, or, and not. So let's go through each of them with explanation examples. So here we are with the first operator, and which is AND. So the AND operator returns true if both operands are true, otherwise it returns false. So we'll check an example. So for suppose x is equal to true and y equal to false, then we'll use the AND operator and see what will be the result. So I'll store the result in the result variable and x and y. Let's print the result, print it, result, done. Save it and run it. Now you can see the result is false. Why do you think the result is false? Because x and y, x is true and y is false. So for if there is a false in an AND, then the whole result will be false. Obviously the output will be only true if both x and y are true. That is the meaning of the AND, and that is the logical operator as well. So now we'll see what is an OR operator. So we'll keep the same x and y as true and false and see what will be the result in this case. So you can see the result is true because it OR operator asks whether x or y is true. If one of the value is true, then the whole output result will be true if there is an OR operator. This is opposite to AND. AND is if you both x and y are true, then the result will be true, but OR is if one is true, then the result will be true in the OR. So there is also a not operator. Let's look at that. Just comment these out. So what is a not operator? A not operator is a unary operator that returns true if the operand is false and vice versa. What do you mean by that? Let's say if x is true and the result is not of x. So what will be the result? Obviously the result will be false because not will be doing exactly opposite of what is there here. Now let's consider a real life example using these logical operators. I'll just delete this, and suppose, just imagine if you have a program that checks whether a person is eligible to vote. So the eligibility criteria might include age and citizenships. For suppose, let's assume it depends upon age and citizenship, and we will try to create a program which checks for the eligibility for the vote. What do you need initially? We definitely need two variables, which will be minimum voting age. So this is what based on this you will want to check if the user who is gonna vote will be more than 18. The minimum age should be 18, and he should be citizen as well, right? So I'll create a variable which says e-citizen is true. This is what is the base criteria for me for this voting program. Now I definitely need to give the input of who is voting. For suppose if there is a guy with 20 years old who is gonna vote, and he is having citizenship as true. I'm not going into too much complex. I just want to demonstrate the logical operator. So this should be fine. I'm not checking which country he is from or not, anything as such. This is very simple program. So citizenship is true. What do I need to do? I need to first create a check which is each eligible to vote equal to, what is the criteria? If age is greater than or equal to minimum voting age and is citizen, then I think he should be eligible to vote, right? So this will return something. So here what we used is and, which means this and this parameter both should be true. So here if we just trace the program, here if we trace the program, what is the minimum aging age? Minimum voting age is 18, and what is the age here is 20. So 20 is obviously greater than 18, which is true. This returns to true. And is citizen is true, obviously. So here this obviously returns true. So this check is obviously wrong, because each citizen is always true irrespectively, because we have assigned it to true. What we need to check this variable against is the citizenship, which changes variably. We can also do kind of input, but I'll just keep it very simple and keep it as true. So here what do I need to check is if the citizenship is equal to each citizen. That is what I need to check. Just click the packets. Now if we run this program, we got to print here is eligible, save and run, then this should return true. So this is a simple program with the logical operator and that is all with this video. Just want to map a real life example with the operator, so you can extend this program and create a very complex routing algorithm of a program. And that's it. Thank you very much.